Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to share with you my recipe for instant noodles. Very easy, very delicious and quick. So let's start. In your pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. I used 2 chopped onions here. Add in some garlic chopped, as you can see here. Now we add in our vegetables and our tomato in there. Very easy, very delicious. This is going to add in so much flavor in our noodles. You know, most of us enjoy these noodles because they're easy. You just put them in water. So today I decided to share with you my recipe. I call it the pizza noodles. Yes. So you add in your spices there, and please make sure you're cooking on medium heat. Now you can add in your favorite spices. I know you guys have very many different spices. Yes, you can make it as flavorful as you want it to be. So add in a bit of water and let the water boil. Now these are my Indomies, these are my noodles. As you can see, I'm going to use 2 packets for this recipe. Break them into very small pieces for this recipe. Yes, and they don't cook for long. Just cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure they don't overcook, like get too soggy. Yes, nice. Another thing, please guys, make sure don't add in salt. We are going to use the noodle spices, the one that comes with a pack, with a noodles pack. Don't add in salt. The pack already comes with enough salt. If you use 2 packets, I'm going to show you here. Yes, as you can see here, you use 2 packs of Indomie noodles. You also use the two spice bags that they pack. Now these spices also come with chili, but in this case I didn't add in the chili. Okay, now in the bowl, add 4 eggs, add turmeric powder, black pepper, and salt. Whisk properly. Now add in our noodles. As you can see here, make sure that the noodles were ready before you add it. Not too soggy, but ready before you add in the eggs. Yeah, cover and cook for 5 minutes on low heat. This is our result. Very nice, looking nice. Yeah, so this is optional really. I just decided to add on a bit of Royco seasoning on top, and coriander to garnish my egg noodle. Very easy recipe, very quick. I prepared this in 10 minutes, guys. So please try it out. Very nice. Now you can decide to top on this some cheese to give it that gooiness. Yes. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Let's grow our channel.